Hello everyone, welcome to windowslovers.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So let's get started. Alright, so before we start, I'm going to show you that I'm going to use 3 accounts. The reason behind it is some of the accounts on Instagram are private, while some of the other accounts are public. So what I mean is, to follow a private account, you'll have to request that you want to follow the private account, and when the account admin or account owner approves your follow request, and only then you can see the content, or only then you can start following. While as your public accounts is on the other side is completely different, as in, or you can straight away follow the accounts that are public, and you can also see the content before you can actually follow the account. So I've got 3 accounts: Price Tag Nepal, Barista Fanatics, and Combines HQ. So I'm going to use Price Tag Nepal as a test account, and Barista Fanatics is actually a private account. I'll quickly show you that it is a private account. So as you can see, Barista Fanatics is a private account, while as your Combines HQ is a public account. So as you can see, I don't have any option to choose to make my profile private. So let's get back to Price Tag Nepal. So first, I followed both of the accounts. So I followed Combines HQ and I followed Barista Fanatics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first block myself. So I'm going to block Price Tag Nepal from seeing any of my content from Combines HQ. So I'm going to do the same for Barista Fanatics. So I'm going to search Price Tag Nepal, and I'm going to block the account. Alright, so if that was confusing, what I wanted to explain was I've blocked my account, Price Tag Nepal. So let's say Price Tag Nepal is your account. So what I wanted to show is there's 2 different scenarios that you can check if someone's blocked you. So depending on if the person that has blocked your account has their account privacy on private or public, you'll have to check a couple of different things depending on whether the account was private or public. Alright, so Price Tag Nepal has been blocked by Barista Fanatics and Combines HQ, both of the accounts. One of the accounts is private, one of the accounts is public. So first, we'll check if Barista Fanatics, which is actually a private profile, has blocked me on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do a quick refresh, and I'll go and I'll search Barista Fanatics. So as you can see, nothing comes up. Absolutely nothing. So in that case, they might have deactivated that account. So in that case, what you will do is you'll tap on the top right corner, the 3 dots, and you'll copy the profile URL. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser and you'll paste the profile link. And see. So if they had actually deactivated the account, you would not be able to see the profile page. So what it means is that Barista Fanatics, or the profile that you're trying to check, has actually blocked you on Instagram. So let's say the account was public, that you could view all the content, you could view all the posts even before following the account. So in that case, what you would do is you'll go back. So Combines HQ was actually public. So as you can see, it comes up. So we'll tap on it. So as you can see that you can barely see anything even though the account is public. So all you can do is you can see the description. You cannot see any posts that were public. So another check is you can try to follow the account, but what will happen is it will take you back to unfollow, or it will just quickly do a refresh of the button. While if you were not blocked by the account, you will be able to follow the account. It means that they've actually blocked you. So there's two different ways to check if a user has blocked you on Instagram. So to quickly summarize the video, what you would do is you'll go and you would check, you will type in the account username or the name, and if nothing comes up, you will copy the URL and you'll open the profile in a browser, and if the profile comes up, that means the account is private, but they've actually blocked you. But if you search for an account and everything comes up except the posts, and also you cannot follow the account, so that means the profile isn't public and they've actually blocked you. So I hope that was helpful, and if there's any confusions, do let me in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thank you.